Did you know that US citizens and residents can now obtain a mortgage in Mexico to invest in one of the world's most dynamic real estate markets? If you live in the US and have been considering acquiring a premier property in Mexico, whether at a world-class beach resort, a colonial city, or any other city in Mexico, now is the time for you to invest. For a peso-denominated mortgage, you can finance your purchase under terms remarkably similar to those available to you in the US for a second home or those available to Mexican nationals acquiring homes right now. With the expert guidance of Hipoteca Fácil teams, Mexico's most trusted and prestigious mortgage firm, you gain access to strategic counsel to make every decision count when acquiring your dream home in Mexico. Hipoteca Fácil teams will walk you through the entire process with clarity, discretion, and zero surprises, delivering the level of professionalism and certainty you expect from a top-tier US financial advisory firm. Yes, there are certain differences compared to US mortgage processes, primarily related to immigration and certain government authorizations that you will require. Both are straightforward and cost-effective to navigate, particularly when backed by advisors who have been building a strong and well-earned reputation advising US investors for over 2 decades. Yes, if you're ready to make a strategic wealth-building investment in a world-class Mexican property, secure with a fixed-rate mortgage and absolutely no surprises and absolute peace of mind, it's time for you to reach our team in Mexico so that we can advise you in this very extraordinary process. Thank you.